Hello everyone, class 6. I am Rashid Khan, your science teacher from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here I have to complete the remaining portion of the exercise and assessment. You have already completed the first part. In the second part, we have to discuss on the remaining portion, in which I think there is a very short answer question we have to do. So in that sense, the question and answer, that is very short answer question, we have to complete it, and this is very short question answer, in which the first one is given as at what is the composition of air. So the composition of air, the composition of air are as follows. It is the mixture of gases in a different amount. What are these? The nitrogen, acquiring 78% of the total air. Next is oxygen. Oxygen comprises 21%. Other gases having 1%. So in 1% there is carbon dioxide that can acquire 0.03%, water vapors acquire 0.04%, and smoke and dust acquire 0.03%. This is all about the question number 1. In which the question number 2, we can say what is the atmosphere. What do you mean by the atmosphere as well? Here is 0.9% of argon. Argon contain about 0.9% of total gases. So this is all about the question number 1. We'll have to move on to the question number 2 as well. Question number 2 is given as what do you mean by the atmosphere? The air surrounding us is called as atmosphere. All over the air that is surrounding us is called as our atmosphere. Question number 3 now. Question number 3 is given as which two gases constitute about 99% of air? Nitrogen and oxygen. These two gases constitute 99% of air. That's it. Question number 4. Answer 4. Question 4 is name the component of air used by the green plants to make their food. Component of air: carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the main component used by plants to make their food. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is given as why do the plants need air for respiration process? Plants for respiration process, plants need air. Define humidity. What is the humidity? So we can say the humidity is water vapors present in air is called humidity. Now question number 7. 7 is termed as what is the importance of nitrogen? Nitrogen is used for fulfilling to complete the protein requirement in plant, and it is also used for packaging food materials. This is all about the very short answer question. Now start question answer. Next one is short question answer 1. In this question, why do the earthworm come out of the soil during the rainy season? When there is a water or rain takes place, so there is the earthworm which lives in the hole. They can remain restless, so they will have to be taken out of their burrows. Earthworms live in making burrows. Earthworm live in burrows earthworm they making burrows in the upper layer of the earth. In the upper layer of the earth, due to the rains, burrows become flooded. Burrows become flooded. Burrows become flooded, and which create problem for problems for break problem for them to breathe. Problem for them to breathe. Hence, earthworm could come out. Hence, earthworm come out of their burrows. That's all about the question number 1 of the long answer question. Sorry, short answer question. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 is list the importance of air. What are the different importance of air we have to write in this concern? Importance of air. First is air helps in burning. Next is air needed for breathing. Next is plants need air to make food. Plants need air to make their food. Number 4, birds, kite, aeroplane, all its need for need air for flying. Air helping pollination, air also needed for drawing cloth, etc. These are all about the question number 2. Now, question number 3. Question number 3 is given. Why is the air present in soil useful? The organisms which live in the soil require oxygen. The organisms which live in the soil require oxygen to breathe. This is why the air becomes available to plants and animals, plants and animals living in the soil. Living in the soil. That's it. This is about question number 3. The question number 4 is given. Why do the mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder with them while climbing high mountains? This is why, because when the mountaineers feels there is a reduction or lack of oxygen in them, so in that condition they are required to supply the oxygen level, so they can carry the oxygen cylinder with them. So this is all about the short answer question. In the next video we will certainly talk about this.